Gravity has been the concept of much thought throughout history. Today we will be discussing the three main concepts of gravity, starting with Isaac Newton. There's much controversy around the story of an apple falling on Newton's head. It did happen, but not entirely as is taught. It was actually an Apple laptop that fell on his head. Then, wondering why it had fallen on his head, he searched, "Why did this fall on my head?" in the Google search engine. And from there, he discovered gravity. For many years, Isaac Newton's laws were the major authority on gravity, but then the theory of relativity changed everything. So, Mr. Einstein, how does your theory of relativity help us understand gravity?
Well, matter distorts the space and time around itself, so it creates this gravitational field which draws things in.
Sir, they're most likely high schoolers watching this, and they probably don't understand what you just said.
Well, would a demonstration help?
Probably. Assistant, bring us the experiment back.
Very well. So, this big yellow ball will represent the sun, and this blue one will represent Earth. Now please take the corners and stretch out the blue blanket. Now, when we put the sun in the center, it distorts the blanket around it. And when another object, say the Earth, of less mass and less distortion comes in, it is drawn in by the gravitational field.
Thank you, Mr. Einstein, for explaining your theory of relativity to a bunch of high schoolers that don't care.
You're welcome.
Gravity can be very complicated. There are many simple ways to demonstrate its effects. Let's go back to a man named Galileo. Long ago, he proved that gravity pulls things at the same rate. On Earth, gravity pulls things at a rate of 9.8 meters per second squared. So, two objects, like these two balls, this one heavier than this one, would land at the same time on the man's ball. It used to be taught that something bigger than something else would fall faster than that something else. Thanks to Galileo, one of the first to make a huge breakthrough in understanding gravity, we have now made further breakthroughs like Einstein and Newton into the realm of gravity.